mailbag. Let's see what we got. Yes, I already opened it. I'll get better at this stuff eventually. But we got some screw samples. So I saw on Facebook that they were giving away screw samples. So I'm like, if it's free, it's for me. So let's give this a try. One of the, which it looks like kind of a gimmick, is they're able to screw one of these in, and it has enough force on the screw head between the bit and the screw to actually support the driver. Let's give that to the test. It even comes with bits. So where's a good place to test this? Right here? Wow. Wow, not a gimmick. It really is holding it. I'm impressed. Did you hear that? Wow, that was pretty strong. So if you didn't see, these are velocity screws. They're by the Phillips Screw Company. See, Phillips screws. These bits are Phillips and square drive. So the screws will actually fit both. Okay. It's a square drive from the Kreg jig. Not bad. This is a good old regular Phillips. Actually, it doesn't give us the same strength or gripping power as their own bits, but hey, they weren't designed. As you can see, it's got square and Phillips on there. Not bad. I am impressed. Let's try one of the littler ones. So this is a smaller bit. Oh. No, these the smaller ones don't have as much power to do it, which I'm not really surprised. But these large ones, absolutely. Not bad. Pretty cool. My only complaint, I wish they were more of a self-drive, like a lot of the torque screws. Other than that, I'm impressed. So that's the mailbag for today. See you around.